Welcome to more IFC. It is what it is. Just look how this jeans bottom flap has turned out to be. So simple, very simple, very easy to do it. You can do it very simple. Just look how beautiful it is. Everything is being explained, details, nothing is hidden, nothing is hiding. So subscribe, like. If you have not subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel, your channel, our channel, everybody's channel, and make sure you click on notification bell. Click on notification bell so anytime I post a new video, you'll be updated. I'm posting video every Sunday. So let's get on. Now the fabric is being folded into two, which is 4 inch. The length is 7 inch. The length is 7 inches, but the fabric is 4 inches, which has been folded into two. The same thing, the length are all the same. So you can see so I just close the bottom up just like that. So that one will be here, but before I have to make my notches, put them together like that. Then I measure 7 inches. If it's for ladies, you can measure 4 inches. You know, for guys, 7 inches is normal, or 7.5 is cool. So I put it on it like that, right side and right side together like that. Just trimming everything off. Checking it. So I'm 14.5 inch inward. Then I top stitch. Very simple, very easy to do it. Remember, I made a notch there at 7 inches, so that's the place that you're going to top stitch, double stitch at that point. Because the jeans, we're going to turn it over like that and sew on top. You know, there are so many ways of sewing a flap, but when dealing with jeans, this is how it go with it. This is jeans. So we're done with this part, we take another part. So I'm going to sew on top like that, and 1/2 inch to the notch that we made 7 inches, a double stitch, then you flip it over, then you iron it. Get to the machine and go iron it. Okay, we back after ironing to see how beautiful it has turned out to be. We have not done yet, but you can see how it's turning out to be. So you're gonna put this one, the 4 inches that we folded into two. You just have to leave like 0.3, you know. Don't let it come to the tip side, just leave a space, a little bit of space. Push it inward a little bit. Then you sew them together like that. Like I said, this is the jeans. So if you have not subscribed yet, I don't know what you are waiting for. We are almost done. So subscribe, like, and share, and comment. It's my channel, it's your channel, it's everybody's channel. So let's keep on moving. You see how beautiful it has turned out to be. Just as simple. It's very simple, easy to do it. You can do it. So you just have to put it on this like that. Make sure you fix everything correctly. You can see how I'm fixing it correctly. I'm checking everything, putting everything on the right path, So I'm gonna turn it over. Hey, you gotta pin it. If you want it to be easy, you gotta pin it right here. So this is jeans. This is how you go by it. Just have to put it on tip like that. You 4.5 inch inward. Then you top stitch. It's more IFC. It is what it is. Subscribe, like, and share, and comment. Click on the notification bell so anytime I post a new video, you'll be updated. I post every video on Sundays. Sundays is when I normally post my videos nowadays. So come check it out on Sundays. You may have to make a double stitch at that part. Hey, we done. This is how we fix jeans bottom flap. Just look how beautiful it has turned out. So simple, so easy to do this. Simple steps. You can see, just have to mark your bottom holes. You can mark 3, you can mark 2. But I prefer marking 2. I'll go by 2. If you want to mark 3, you can mark start from the middle and go up and bottom. But I just want to make my bottom hole 2. I just make it only 2. That part. You can see how beautiful it has turned out too. So you're gonna flip it over to the wrong side, and we hold the two of them together like that, and we top stitch both of them together to hold them both together at that part. So thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. It's more IFC. It is what it is. We're done. Just make your bottom holes and you join the rest.